Good morning, guys. So it's as promised you. I'm gonna review the second part of the update that we started yesterday. So yesterday made a video about the bulk update, which we allow you to select keyword and search terms and add them to a PGN or create new PGNs from them. Today is for the second part of the update, which we're gonna cover you. I'm gonna cover like what just went live a few hours ago while I was sleeping. It's 10:45 a.m. over here. It's sunny. This part of the bulk update will allow you to select product, campaigns, ad groups, or keywords, and bulk edit their bids, their status, or their budget. And let's dig into it right now. So I'm gonna share my screen. Let me see. It's coming up. Yeah, perfect. Where are we? Yes. So let's start from the campaign dashboard. All right. So as always, remember you can use an advanced search. So let's search all the campaign that have ad spend that is bigger than, greater than, I don't know. Let's call it 10 grand. Right. Let's search all campaigns that are more than 10 grand and that they are enabled. And let's see what we ad spend more than 10 grand. And let's see what we find. Perfect. We get only 3 results, which is fine. And let's go ahead and let's say that because of this campaign, you want to lower the budget for some reason. So you're going to simply select all of them or select some of them. But let's select, everybody's familiar with this. You go bulk action and you're going to change budget, and you can change each single campaign budget to a fixed number. So the change to, if I put in $100, will change their budget to $100. If you go increase amount, we will increase every one of these campaigns budget of $100. So we'll simply add $100 or whatever you have there. We will increase budget of 100% in this case. So increase percentage will mean that we will increase the budget. We will double your budget. All right. So if it was $100, we'll put $200. All right. We just double. If you want to make it 3 times, 200 links. All right. 100%. 4 times, 300%. All right. All right. So let's keep 100. And this is the same decrease. All right. Decrease amount. We will subtract $100 or 100 units from whatever your budget is right now. And the last one is decrease by percentage, which we will decrease by 100%. We will, pretty much put it 0, all right, or 1. I think it's 0, should write. Okay, so this is as far as the selectors. You can clear it out. So we will do nothing here, and you can change bulk states. So you can enable all of them. We are already enabled. You can pause all of them. You can archive all of them. In case you choose to archive all of them, we have a pop-up. All right, we are warning you, man. If you archive this, that's it. You cannot really enable them anymore. And if you click OK, then we will enable the archive. Okay, so that's a safety pop-up for you guys. So let's keep them enabled. And premium bid, you can also decide if you want to assign premium bid to them or not. So for this case, let's change all budgets to $123. Enable. I'm going to empty which we don't need it. And let's put premium bid. And I'm going to apply in bulk. Let's give it a second. Okay, of course, this is a fake account, so we get plenty of error. But the bottom line is things should have changed, which, they didn't really change, I believe, because I got an error. Yes, because we cannot find the entity because it's fake. So disregard the error. I'm sure I can assure you that on your account, guys, this stuff works. Let's dig one ad group with the same mechanics. So whatever ad groups you select, the action we can take is you can change the default bid of the ad group. Please note, changing default bid will not change the bid of the keywords. It's the same as on Amazon. You change the default bid, that's simply the default bid you set on the ad group. So if you were to add new keywords, that was the keyword that the bid will inherit. Okay, but you can change the default bid over here, and you can change the state of the app group over here and take a bulk action. As far as keyword goes, what you can do right now is, of course, advanced filter whatever keywords you want to find or you need to find. For instance, let's run an example. You want to find all the keywords that have ACOS above your, where are we? ACOS 7, which is above, let's say you have a threshold of greater than or equal to, let's say that your ACOS threshold is 30%. So you want to find all the keywords that are 30% above and are enabled. I mean, above 30% ACOS and are enabled. And okay, and we have only 2, and you want to select them, and you want bulk edit their bid, and you want to decrease their bid of 20%, and you apply this action. Okay, so we will bulk apply, we will reduce each single keyword bid of 25% in this specific example. And I expect to get more errors back, but again, this experimental account, yes, here you are. So we got more errors back, so of course we cannot find the entity because they don't exist. But once more, on your account, this is going to work perfect. As far as search term goes, we cannot take any bulk action as search terms based on, I mean, we can, like I showed you yesterday, we can add them to PGN, we can add them as negative PGN, we can create PGN from them. But as far as bulk actions, bidding or pausing or enabling, we cannot do that. So let me just check if the button is even active. Oh, it's taking a bit too low. We must have a lot of terms. They're still waiting. Oh, if I knew it would take so long, I would have done it. Oh, here you are, we're back. So yes, as you can see, since there are no, we cannot edit the bits of those keywords, we cannot pause those keywords, those terms, we cannot pause those terms, we cannot archive those terms. There is no powerful bulk action, but as I showed you on the previous video yesterday, right now you can create PGN from these keywords. You can add those keywords to existing PGN, and you can negate those keywords from existing PGN, and you can select whatever match you want to negate them from. Let me think. Yes, so as far as the action button, I didn't put enough weight of it, but it is here. It's in purple. It's up on the top right of the screen, as well as being in menu, and you find it the bulk action here. Okay, so add new, which we know already, which we was refurbished, updated a little bit, and we covered yesterday. And this is the initial step of the bulk action, which we covered today. Tomorrow, we should be able to go live with a bulk action, the take action of editing in bulk rules thresholds, as well as adding keywords and search terms to your existing campaigns or your existing ad groups, as well as negatives to your existing ad groups, which are not PGN. Okay, so stay tuned and see you tomorrow for the third part of this bulk update. Thank you for watching and have a great Saturday.